Welcome to Sip Niagara's world's largest Caesar bar experience, and I'm Jeremy Parsons and showing you some of my favorite recipes that you can make. So first we're gonna rim our glass. A lot of people think that you can just rim this with anything, but you always wanna make sure that the citrus fruit that you're using works well with the rest of the ingredients. So I'm using lemon, because lemon and barbecue and smoke, yes, I did say smoke, taste amazing together. So there is our rim. Now, in the shaker, half full of ice, we're gonna add in some Walter's All Natural Caesar Mix, extra spicy. Next, we're gonna add in some Grey J Canadian whiskey. This is awesome. Really works well with the smokiness. Next, we've got some Grace Jerk barbecue sauce, just about 2 tablespoons, and then a good squirt of Maritime Madness's lime and cilantro. I'm gonna shake this bad boy up like crazy to mix it. And then I'm gonna pour it into our glass, but we are not done yet because we are gonna add in some smoke. Yes, your amazing mixologist at the end can smoke up your Caesar. So if you ever thought about having a campfire and a Caesar, this puts it together. Boom, look at that. It's like magic. And all done. Let that sit for about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go, guys. Now, pop in that beautiful skewer that you created. Welcome to Sip Niagara.